Hi, this is Diana with BISH'S in Junction City. If you like this video, please like and subscribe at BISH'S.com. And today I'm here to show you this beautiful 2018 Newmar. This is the 3113. It's got full body paint, gel cap front and rear. Let's go ahead and go around this side. Tons of storage. Also has a 32-inch exterior TV, and as you can see, the upgraded windows. Let's go on in. First, you're going to notice that this is beautiful. It's so warm and homey, however, light and bright. I'm just going to go up here to the driver's seat. You are not going to believe this, but this rig has 17,100 and change miles on it. Very lightly used is a huge understatement. Have a little TV up here, as well as the electric bed that comes down. So we have tons of sleeping. We're talking sleeping here, a full rollout here. So you've got double bed, double bed. All of these chairs turn around, and guess what they all face? Got your lovely entertainment center. I'm going to sit right here because if you play cards, you just found the perfect location to play cards. You can also see the game as well as everybody else. The other thing I found was if you don't want the chairs here and you've got puppies, you just found the perfect place to put their puppy bed. So this has got the floor space, wide, bright, and look at these floors. They're stunning. You would have thought these were today because they are in stock and they are definitely something that you look for. They don't show any dirt. Let's go on back. We've got the solid surface, double sink. It's really beautiful. Got your cooktop, convection oven. We're going to go ahead and go on into the bathroom. All right. I'm not very tall. However, this is a huge, tall bathroom in here. I've seen a 6'1" person standing in there. Plenty of room. Glass doors, of course. Really well made porcelain toilet. And then into the master bedroom. This has got a definitely upgraded mattress. It is so soft and in such great condition. Again, so low miles, obviously very low use. Two huge cabinets for hanging your clothes, both with mirrors. You've got a TV here, window so you can lay in bed and look at the ocean. It's just the perfect setup. So if you like this coach or you'd like to see any of the others we have in stock that are quality, just like this one, give me a call. My name is Diana Thomas. I'm at BISH'S RV in Junction City, and my number is 541-221-6345. Thank you.